Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to design animated pizza online shop for Android app by using Figma. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So first you have to open the Figma app, then you have to click on the frame. Here you have to select the tablet because we are going to create the design for Android tablet. So we have to select Android expanded. The frame has been created. Here we have to, the corner radius should be 30. Okay. So now we have to going to start the design for the animated app. So first we have to create the logo. Pizza. You have to change the font sizes 48. We have to select the different font. This is okay. So we have to increase the size. Now we have to add the pizza name, tomato pizza. We have to reduce the size as 45. So you have to add here. Then you have to add the text description of the pizza. So we have to reduce the size 25. Okay, this is correct. So now we are going to add the buy button. So we have to add the frame rectangle. The color should be red. So now we have to add the text buy now. Make it bold. So now we have to align properly text and the button. Now we are going to select the frame and change the color as slightly red. Fine. So now we are going to include the pizza image. You have to go to file and place image. So first we have to include the tomato pizza. So here we have to align the size is okay. So now we have to move out of the frame. The same size we have to include for the all four images. The second one is green pizza. This is the second one. We have to check it out. This size 471. 470 is fine. So this is also 470. So all pizza size must be set for the same size of 470. The third one is, we have to line here, capsicum pizza. The fourth is cheese pizza. So now we have to create the ellipse for align the pizza. We had to make it the one round. That's it. So we have to align here. So here also we have to align properly. So now we have to remove this color. That's it. So we have to group of this all pizza. That's it. So now we have to move into the frame. That's it. So now we have to include thumbnail of the pizza. If we click on the thumbnail, the selected pizza must be changed. So we have to include the thumbnail of the pizza. So we have to again include the pizza image. So the first one we have to align for this. First one we have to add the tomato pizza. Perfect. The second one is green pizza. This is 120. The third one, capsicum pizza. This is also size 120. All thumbnail pizza size must be same. So we have to align properly. Fine. That's it. So now we have to make it a small rectangle. The height should be 5 and the width should be 100. And the round corner should be 5. This background color should be match. Then we have to align this. So now everything is ready. The pizza color maybe we have to use for red color. Name. Perfect. So now we have to make the animation. So we have to select the entire frame, make it duplicate. Press Alt and move for the duplicate. That's it. Fine. So now we are going to change the frame color as a green pizza. So we have to use the color as green color, and the text color should be changed as green. So rest of the color, I think we can make it same. So here we have to change the name as green pizza. Green pizza. So the selection should be move for the green pizza. Okay, so we have to change the color green. The selection should be here. So we have to select this and rotate for the green pizza. Fine, everything perfect. Now we are going to duplicate the another frame. Now we have changed that pizza, capsicum pizza. So here also we need to change the third pizza name should be capsicum pizza. Fine. Now we have again duplicate. Before change this, we have to make the color a different color. That means the blue. Maybe the blue is okay. This selection color also we need to change a blue. Fine. Now the fourth pizza background color must be changed as pink. Perfect. So here we have to change. Perfect. This is also pink. Super. Now we are going to change fourth pizza. Perfect. So now we have to move for the prototype. Here we have to make it the link. So we have to first select this pizza. No need to link for this is selection only for the tomato pizza. So now we have to going for the link of the page. So we have select here and link to here. The on tab we have to change the action to navigate to, and the Android animation should be smart animate. Smart animate, and the duration should be 600 microseconds. Fine. So now we are going to close this. We have to provide the all links. The capsicum pizza must be select for the third, and the fourth one we have to select for fourth. That's it. That's it. Second one not link. The third one must to be here. The fourth one must be fourth. Super. Second, that is no link. The first one go to there. So we have to move for all of this. Fourth one, no link. That's it. So now all of the link has been set. So now we have to check it out by click on preview. So now we are checked out the animation. So we have to click on the preview and click on the second piece of green pizza. Now the pizza has been animated and the selection also moved for the second thumbnail. If we click on the third pizza as a capsicum pizza, it will be moved for the capsicum pizza. Then we have to click on the fourth pizza, cheese pizza. That is animated for. If you click on any thumbnail of the pizza, it will be moved for the particular page with animation. So in this way, you can design the animated pizza online shop for Android app by using Figma. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.